Hello there. We're going to do something just a little bit different today because when I looked at your Monday work, I only see 3 people who submitted the roller coaster research activity project. Not sure if people need more time, if there's questions. So today I'm going to have you continue to work on that, and instead of giving you something new. Because it's easy enough to get behind in this type of setting anyway, as it is. You will not get more than today, though. I won't do this another day this week, if that makes sense. So today would be a fantastic day to ask me questions, if you need to. Otherwise, take the time to make sure that you wrap this up. So it shouldn't take too terribly long. You just need to get it done. So basically, you need to research Sir Isaac Newton and different facts about him. We're looking at the Newton's first, second, and third law of motion. You really need to review some of this stuff before we start our roller coaster labs next week, because we're going to start getting into equations, and you need to have some of the background. So that's also part of the reason why I'm giving you another day to do this. I want to make sure that you have it done. And so for those of you that did it and submitted it, the few that there is, you will have an open day today and get a little breathing room maybe for some other classes if you need to work on some other things or do something that you enjoy. In the meantime, the rest of you, the project is due today. So hopefully I will see either a submitted project from you, or I will see some form of a question saying, hey, I need some help with this, or I have a question about that. All right. Thank you very much, and you guys have a fantastic day.